Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. Whether you are presenting, collaborating, or demonstrating something, screen sharing makes it easy to share your content with others. Stay tuned as I walk you through the process. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and join the meeting or call where you want to share your screen. Once you are in the meeting, look for the share screen button, which is the square icon with an arrow pointing up. You'll find it at the top right corner of the call screen. When you click on the share screen button, you will be presented with different options. You can choose to share a specific screen or windows. After selecting what you want to share, click Share. Your screen will now be visible to everyone in the meeting. When you are done, you can stop sharing by clicking the Stop Sharing button at the top of the screen. And that's it. Now you know how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.